Hi, this is Peter at SafetyNet Technologies. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your CatchCam videos from your Samsung tablet onto various social media and other messaging apps. Before you can share your videos, you do need to download them onto your Samsung tablet. You can't share videos directly from your CatchCam camera onto social media apps or the internet. If you don't know how to download the videos, then I do suggest watching my other tutorial video where I do explain how to download videos from the CatchCam camera using the CatchCam app onto your Samsung tablet. Now, the very first thing you need to do in order to share your videos over social media is connect your tablet to the internet. Open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to an available internet network. And once you've done that, you're good to start sharing. So now I'll show you 3 ways you can get your CatchCam videos from your Samsung tablet onto social media apps. If your Samsung tablet was supplied with your CatchCam kit, you'll find a shortcut folder on the home screen which contains a number of social media apps ready for you to use. You could, for example, share your videos directly to one or more contacts on WhatsApp. You could tweet your videos, or in this video, I'm going to demonstrate using Facebook to very quickly post a video onto my feed. So opening Facebook, I'm going to create a post by pressing the plus symbol at the top right, and I'll select Post on that menu, then select Photo Video. This takes me to videos stored on my device. I'm going to choose to share a GIF video this time. You can write a message, of course, but I'll let the video do the talking and press the post button. Give that a few seconds. And there we go. There's my post on my Facebook page, ready for all my friends to see. I'll push the like button, and there we have it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to share videos straight from within the CatchCam Videos folder. When you download videos from the CatchCam camera, they save directly to the CatchCam Videos folder. You'll find a shortcut to this folder on the home screen of the Samsung Galaxy tablet supplied with your CatchCam kit. If you want to navigate to this folder, you'll find it stored on the SD card in the Movies folder. So, in the CatchCam Videos folder, I can see all the videos that I've downloaded from my CatchCam camera. I'm going to tap and hold the first video there called Fish Hollywood, and at the bottom I have the share option. Tapping that opens up a window where I can access social media and messaging apps which I have on my Samsung tablet. In this demonstration I'll choose Facebook, and I'm going to this time share to a group, the CatchCam VIP community. Tapping that, here's my video, and at the top right I'll tap the post option, and that is posted to the CatchCam VIP community Facebook group. Now I'm going to show you how you can share your video whilst you are watching it. So we'll go back to the CatchCam Videos folder, and I'll select the video at the top of the list, Fish Hollywood, and that starts playing. And if I tap the screen again, I'll get some options and controls. At the top right of the screen, click the 3 dots and the menu opens, and here I can tap on the share option. Once again, this opens up a window, giving me access to the various social media and messaging apps installed on my Samsung tablet. As before, I'll select Facebook and my groups, and I'll post again to the CatchCam VIP community. Here's my video, and at the top right, I click the post button, and that is posted onto the CatchCam VIP community Facebook group page. So there you have 3 different ways to share your videos from your Samsung tablet or any other Android device onto social media and messaging apps. Take a look at my other videos which explain how to edit your CatchCam videos to make shorter clips and even to make GIF files. Thank you.